This all-star spray-on treatment helps to strengthen hair from root to tip, seal in moisture, and protect hair against damage from coloring, heat styling, and UV rays. Known as the weightless Great Defender, this organic, 90% organic, weightless spray locks in gorgeous color, enhances style, blocks out humidity, and protects from premature color fading. It's an essential first step of your styling routine and provides instant, weightless protection. The nutrient-rich vitamins in this spray provide an extra dose of antioxidants for smooth, healthy-looking hair, and amino acids protect the hair from thermal damage, UV rays, and daily washing, all while speeding up your drying time and strengthening your strands. Now, this is a top seller with Evoq Beauty. And what's key about this product is that it's equal parts protein and equal parts moisture, where we don't want to over-keratinize our hair. So this beautiful spray is a top seller because it is defending your hair from the top assaults from water to UV damage to everyday styling.